Welcome to another episode of Depreciation Nation, and today I'm here with my friend Robby from Dent Repair Inc. And as I mentioned in the introduction to this car, we've got some scratches, we've got some dings, we've got some dents, and that happens to be what my friend here, Robby, specializes in. So we are going to step to the side and we are going to allow Robby to do his craft, and we're going to show you the results when we're done. And so, just like that, our X3 is now dent-free. Why did we choose paintless dent removal? Simply because it's pennies on the dollar over what a body shop can do, and it didn't take long. Thanks to Robby, thanks to Paintless Dent Repair Inc. for your service, and I hope you join us next week as we replace the 4x4 actuator on this car.